In this video, I'm going to show you how to add gold to getquin. So to do this, first you want to go to the top over here where it says search for stocks, ETFs, or profiles, and you want to go and find the type of gold you actually own. So if I, for example, type in for GLD over here, it's going to find this one. And now let's say I'm actually using this gold over here, okay? Of course, you could find something else. You also have like a physical gold over here. So if I type in, for example, like this gold, as you can see, there's like the iShares physical gold, etc. There's going to be a bunch of different ones, and depending on which one you actually own, you want to find that specific one, and we're going to use that, okay? So let me actually go back to this one I showed earlier. There we go. I'm simply going to click on it, and it's going to open like this. And then from here, you want to go to portfolio, and you want to click on add to your portfolio now. Now over here, it's going to be labeled as a security, and then from here, transaction type is going to be buy, of course, if you have bought, and you have the add security over here, which is going to be here automatically. Then you have to select the quantity. I'm going to do 10 for this example, the transaction date, and then the purchase price as well. Now, whenever you've done this, click on add transaction, and that's going to add it to your portfolio, okay? So that's going to be the one of the ways to do this, okay? As you can see over here under positions, I do have some gold. That's the first way. But the second one is if you actually can't find the gold you own up here inside the search box. In that case, you want to go to your portfolio and click on add account, and then you want to click on custom import and then manual import. In here again, you can go by security, or you could go and add something like jewelry or something like other over here. We're going to go with other right now, and here under description, I'm going to type in, for example, gold bar, and then here you can select your transaction date, the purchase price, and the current value as well, and you can then add transaction just like that as well, okay? That's also going to work. So those are the two ways to actually add gold to getquin. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.